Hey, if you want to pair your Sony WF-C500 earbuds with your Android phone, you've got two methods. The first one, you can quickly pair them by standard Bluetooth settings. So, first you have to open this charging case, remove both earbuds from the case, and now you will find that these indicators are blinking blue. And we have to click and hold on these both buttons, on the left and the right one together, until these indicators start blinking quickly. So keep holding. There we go. Right now they are blinking quickly. Take a look. And you will also hear the voice notification that you are in the pairing mode. So now you have to put them close into your phone. Do not put them back to the charging case. Open the Bluetooth settings. And now from here, go into the pair new device. From here, you will have to locate your Sony WF-C500. As you can see, in my case, they appear right here. And I can just click on them once, and after a few seconds I will be able to accept the pairing request. So click to accept the pairing request, and from here we are successfully connected. If you want to unlock more features of these earbuds, you will have to go into the Play Store and you will have to search for the Sony Headphones Connect application. When you download this app, you will be able to open it, and now when you open it for the first time, you will have to accept some permissions, some user agreements. So just go for the base steps of the application, and after this you will be welcome with this screen. So when you connect your earbuds by the standard Bluetooth settings, you will be able to open this app and already use them. So from here we can click like this. And now you can click to go to the dashboard, and from here we are with our headphones, and we can actually find some other parameters like equalizer, the Bluetooth connection quality, some kind of the notifications and other stuff like this. And that's all right now. Please subscribe to my channel and see you in the next one.